Hey everybody, I'm at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to check out some Valentine's Day decor. So let's get to it. We have all the little bags, which are always pretty. The tissue paper. I have the socks. These are really cute. I like these ones. These cherries that have glitter hearts. I have more over here. This little cupid. Then some of the wall or decorations. This is really cute to make like a little basket. I got these before. These are really fun. Probably gonna grab that. This is the last one. Such cute decor. This reminds me of like the old school growing up. I have all the florals. And over here we got the candies. Hold on one sec. So we have the candies here, the Sour Patch, hearts, black raspberry. We have the big trucks. We have the pink and red hearts, the chocolate filled hearts, Tootsie Rolls. We got some cotton candy and some lollipops. The cute little bags. Right here we got the warheads and all the chocolates here. You see on the side. These are the ones that have look like lips. So cute. My kids love those. Conversation hearts and the swirled candy. Over here they have these chocolate hearts. These are always great for little gifts for teachers, friends. Chocolate covered pretzels, Krabby Patties. My kids love Krabby Patties. Reese's, my favorite. There's strawberry marshmallows, more of the little truffles, and we have nerds, more truffles, and then the bigger hearts on here are $5, and the 20 packs of Fun Dip for $5 as well. They have some of these cozy socks. Those are very cute. This one's even Minnie Mouse. They have like these little glass bottles, makeup sponge holders, this little love sign. These are really cute and pretty. We have candle holders and some hot and cool iPads. We got the detangler, the microfiber head wrap. They got makeup storage, got scalp massagers, lip gloss pom-pom to hold it. These little makeup brushes. This is really cute, only $1.25. And the mani-pedi sets as well. So all this stuff is really cute that you can make a gift basket with. Go back and you can see there's more candy. Friendship lollipops, rock candy, candy bracelets, really fun stuff. It brings me back to my childhood. I love candy bracelets. Then they have more of the lip lollipops, cute little monkeys. They have their classroom exchanges for $5. Switching here to the decor. So this is a little more, $3 and up. They have these pretty candles. This garland for $5. Again, more of the eye patches. Look at this cute truck. These little cubes are really fun. They're $3. This little table runner. They have some wreaths in here. These ones light up heartstrings. So these are $5 for those. And then they have the love sign as well. This is really cute. Serving like a charcuterie board. This is cute as well. And this little two-tier tray for $5. Pillows. These are really pretty. And then they have the big teddy bears. So I'm not sure. Oh, they're $5. This one's really pretty with the gold heart. Red's got unicorns, puppies. So a lot of different variety. This is new. I haven't seen this adult tutu skirts for $1.25. Those are fun. You're into crafting. They have a lot of craft stuff. They even have some Easter stuff out. How cute that is. Moving along. And then here's some of the craft section. To make crafts, paintings. My kids love to do these paintings. These wind chimes are really fun. Rocks painting. These are the bigger wooden sets. They even have those little, I forget what it's called, but with the ball and the paddle. They're really fun. Look at these cute little monsters you can make. Pretty rose clips for decoration. Then they have more Disney socks. So we have Winnie the Pooh here, Lilo and Stitch. See if I can get a better look at it. Really cute. Mickey. They have the longer ones, Winnie the Pooh with the hearts. It's only $1.25 for Disney socks. That's really awesome. And then some more. If you have a tree, they have the ornaments. Look how cute these cupcakes are. Together forever. These little fuzzy gnomes. These hearts. More garland. This is new. I haven't seen this before. And this is a rose. I'm gonna pull the tab. I'll see if it lights up now. Oh, here you go. So it's cute for $1.25. And then they have the trees down here if you want to buy a little Valentine's Day tree. Pink and red ones, and you have all the stuff to decorate it right here. So cute. Then we have the aisle with the decoration, headbands, and then the exchanges for the kids' classrooms. Look at these cute little pom-pom hats and headbands with the hearts on them. There's so many different ones to choose from. They're so cute for $1.25. They have like little putty. Look at this little robot guy, the little kaleidoscopes, fortune cookies, sunglasses, zoos, bubbles, pencils. And then for making crafts, they have these little boxes, which I love to make. Valentine's Day bouquets. They have a little gift exchange, only $1.25 for the cards. Paper airplanes. They have stickers. They have the mailbox that you can make to put your Valentine's cards in. Chair cover. More stickers. The doilies. These are fun too. Little cars, slinkies, skateboards, and rings. So many to choose from. This is fun too to make a craft, or you can use it for a party. These little hearts are really cute to fill up too. Fun straws. These are cute little drinking cups. Get the napkins and the placemats and these boxes. These are really fun too for gifting or making a craft as well. And let's see these ones. These ones are cute, little googly eyes. They have pencils, bouncy balls. It's only $1.25. There's 8 of them in there, but still cute. This is cute. Oh, I like these too. You can fill these with candy for a gift too, or decor, only $1.25. Great stuff here today. I'm so excited. Oh, and they have the big boxes. Containers up there. You can use them for drinks or chips or make a basket. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. I need to go get a cart and fill up now. Have a great day.